The World Health Organization has declared swine flu a public health emergency of international concern. The flu outbreak is thought to have killed more than 100 people in Mexico, and local health officials hope to keep the virus at bay. In fact, they're stepping up the national pandemic influenza preparedness and response plan and mobilizing resources in anticipation of this threat. Senior Medical Officer Dr. Merlin Frederick says health officials are concerned because if the virus enters St. Lucia, it has the potential to spread quickly.
The main concern with this new virus is that it can be spread in much the same way that the common cold is spread, from person to person. So that should be our concern. If an infected person comes into the island and that infected person coughs or sneezes around others and others inhale it, then they can become infected.
On Monday, a high-level gathering of health officials took place at the Ministry of Health. It was the second such meeting in 2 days. The group has reached a consensus on a number of issues, chief among them the need to beef up surveillance at the island's ports of entry. Dr. Frederick says screening of passengers who have visited countries where the virus has been found will also be intensified.
We already have a port health system in place where there are at least 2 nurses at the main airports, at the 2 airports, screening passengers. This is going to be beefed up. All passengers coming in, we're going to screen them. They're going to have to tell us where they're coming from. If anybody has any signs of illness, they'll be sent to the hospital for care. If persons do not have any signs of illness, but they're coming from hotspots like Mexico, certain parts of the United States like New York, Texas, California, then they are going to be followed up in the community.
But the senior medical officer is warning the public against undue panic. Instead, Dr. Fredericks is urging the public to take the same precautions as for the common cold. These include washing hands regularly and covering the mouth when sneezing or coughing.
If you're coughing, cover your cough. Wash your hands frequently. If you feel ill with a flu, stay at home, don't go to work. If things get worse, visit your health practitioner. Make sure, especially if you've recently visited or have persons around you who have come from Mexico, certain parts of the United States, California, Texas, New York, you should go visit the health practitioner.
Presently, there are no known cases of this new flu virus here. Swine flu is so named as medical experts believe the new virus was formed inside a pig. But Dr. Frederick says this does not mean that pigs in St. Lucia or anywhere else are infectious. The senior medical officer says the public can expect daily updates on the current situation. Alison Kentish, HTS News, Channel 4.